Religious teachings worldwide, despite occasional divisive tendencies, offer universal motivational aspects. Many religions emphasize love, compassion, and ethical conduct, fostering a harmonious life. Wisdom and knowledge are encouraged, empowering individuals to make informed decisions and contribute positively to society. Practices like meditation and prayer aim to bring inner peace and balance. Community and connection play vital roles, as religions often cultivate a sense of belonging and purpose among followers. Themes of forgiveness and redemption are prevalent, promoting personal growth and healing. Acts of charity and service, commonly endorsed by religions, provide fulfillment and purpose. The shared belief in hope and resilience during adversity is a unifying factor across diverse faiths. While religious beliefs may differ, common values offer inspiration for personal growth and understanding. Focusing on these shared principles, such as love, forgiveness, and community, can bridge divides and foster unity. It is essential to emphasize the positive aspects of religious teachings, promoting a collective pursuit of wisdom, compassion, and a shared commitment to building a better world.